How many times do we need to launch new innovations in a year? Just like a marathon, how do we run our business efficiently so we don't lose our breath?
Welcome to Business and Management Podcast.
Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. When I was a young brand manager, there was a time when I felt that I needed to keep launching new innovations, to keep up with the new consumer trends, to catch up with competitors. Little that I know that this sprinting approach is not strategic, it's reactive, it's draining the manpower, making my team losing their breath. This was because we were running too fast. Instead, there is a better way on how to pace innovations effectively. And these are the key principles. Avoid keeping launching new products sporadically. Do not launch innovations for the sake of just launching innovations. Instead, consider the critical business questions first. Is launching the new product will gain new users into the brand? Or is launching this new product will make the existing users to consume more? Is your base business in trouble? Do not launch new product innovations to save your business, because this is going to be a distraction. Instead, focus on fixing the business fundamentals first before even thinking to launch new product innovation. Thus, the new product innovation will enable you to make a stronger marketing claim versus the existing product. For example, a simple formula upgrade for an anti-dandruff shampoo will enable it to make a stronger marketing claim on its advertisements. Understand the music tempo. Follow the right pace, the right rhythm of innovation specific for your consumers. Listen to the consumers. Understand what is the right innovation space specific for your brand, your category, your type of consumers. For example, a brand playing in the skincare category may need to innovate every 6 months to keep up with the new consumer trend. However, a different category, a TV electronic category, may only need to innovate every few years to catch up with the new technology. Stay close with your R&D friends. Understand what new technologies they are currently developing and by when the new technologies will be ready to launch in the market. Then, create an innovation master plan that matches the pace of the R&D technological upgrade. How loyal are the consumers in your category? For example, in haircare category, the consumers are not that loyal because they keep changing the brands, because they keep want to try something new. For this kind of consumers, you may need to create a frequent news and faster innovation pace. Otherwise, your consumers will move to your competitors. Build on existing ideas versus keep trying to launch new ideas. While it may be tempting to keep launching new ideas to make your brand look fresher, to create news, it may not doing your brand a favor. Looking for better ways of doing something does not mean we abandon the ways we know that is already working. Because keep launching new product will create SKU proliferation in the market. The shelves in the stores will look cluttered. The consumer will get confused which variant they need to choose. At the end of the day, when your product is not selling well, it will create non-performing inventory which will impact your profitability. At worst case scenario, if you have so many different products on the shelf that is not selling well, you may have to scrap it. It means increasing the cost for your business. Keep asking yourself, what can you do to build on existing ideas, existing products, while still fostering innovations? Is there a way that you can get new users by leveraging existing propositions? Can you increase the consumptions of your existing brand users? Have you thought about regimen usage? For example, for an oral care brand, how to make the consumers to use more of your brands in different forms. How to make them buy your toothpaste, your toothbrush, use their floss, using the rinse, so many different forms within the same brand. Convince the consumer to buy more of the forms of your brand. How about you? How do you pace the innovation rhythm in your business? Please write your comments below. If you feel that this podcast is beneficial, then please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share this podcast with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Thank you so much. I wish you always be successful. All the best.